Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change avatar on CoinMarketCap. To change avatar on CoinMarketCap, first of all, open the CoinMarketCap application or website and then make sure to log into your account. Now go ahead and find your profile icon, which should appear at the top right corner, and then click on your username at the top. Now click the edit button right next to your username and then click on the avatar option. You can then go ahead and choose from the preset avatars available on the screen. If you want to add your own image or your own photo, click on upload at the top. Select a picture from your camera roll and you will then be able to select a picture. Click on done at the bottom right once you are done and you will then be able to adjust your picture on the frame. Finally, click on the tick at the bottom right in order to upload your avatar. Once you are done uploading your avatar, click on save at the bottom to save your changes. And that is how you should be able to change your avatar on CoinMarketCap. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.